Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will show you how to use this script as a tool in the ArcGIS. First thing I will do, I will insert a new two lines to make the tool accept parameters. The first line is the in feature arc.get parameter as text with index 0. The second one is the destination feature with index of 1. Now I will substitute those variables instead of the layers in the code. And everything will remain the same. Now I will save the code and close the script. While this file is open, I will go to the toolboxes and to my toolboxes and insert a new toolbox. In my toolbox, I will insert a new toolset, and this new toolset I will add a script. The script name will be, the tool name will be data insertion tool, with the label same, but with spaces. I will navigate to the source script, click next, then I will add the fields name and or the attribute or the input name and type. The first label or the first parameter will be the source feature class, and the second one will be the destination feature class. This type will be feature class, and the other one type will be also feature class. Now I will click finish. Now I have my insertion tool here. I will click it to activate it, and I will choose the source is the parts feature class, and the destination will be the sidewalks feature class, and I will click OK. The tool is completed, and just I will refresh the map here to see the changes. Now you can see this small blue color here, but this is not a missing feature, it's just the symbology. So this is how to use scripts as tools. Thank you.